Hi, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Are you able to hear me clearly? Is it visible to you? Okay, fine. Today I'm going to start Ohm's law. It's a very basic law in physics, and it's from current electricity. I'm sharing screen with you. Are you able to see my screen? Okay, fine. This topic is taken from 10th grade physics. 10th grade physics, and Ohm's law defines the relation between voltage and current in a DC circuit. Ohm's law gives the voltage and relationship between voltage and current. So, in this topic, our objective is we have to say, is there any relation between voltage and current? We'll say whether the relation between potential difference and electric current in a circuit. Uh, so at first we say, is there any relationship between? And after that we say what type of relationship between in this two parameter in a DC circuit. Okay. To understand this topic, let's start with a DC circuit. This is a simulation of basic electrical circuit. You will find head.colorado.edu. I'll share link with you in inbox. I've shared link. Okay. You can open using this link. Now, create a basic electric circuit. This is a battery. You can drag this element from side. This is a basic electric circuit. And I'm adding a bulb. What happened? Yeah, the bulb is glowing when I added the battery to this circuit. And you notice another thing in this circuit? Yeah, electrons are moving. Blue color particles are electron. These are moving. Yeah. We have seen the electrons are moving and bulb is glowing. Okay. You can also say the values from here. If you tick on this box, and then you will see the values. This is 9 volt battery, and here is bulb. The resistance of bulb is 10 ohm. Okay. Now let's see. If you increase the potential difference, if you add more batteries here, then what will happen to the circuit if you add more battery? Here is one battery. If you add more battery, what will happen to this circuit? Let's say I've already prepared two circuits. Are you able to see? There are two circuits. Here we have two batteries. Here are two 9 volt batteries. In the first case, 9 volt, and in the second case, two 9-volt batteries. So what difference you have noticed in these two circuits? First thing, yeah, we have different potential difference. Yeah, correct. For the first circuit, we have 9-volt battery, and second cases we have two 9-volt battery. And what is the another difference you have noticed in this circuit? See the bulb and see the difference. Yeah, correct. First bulb is glowing less and second bulb is glowing more. Yeah. So another question, why does second bulb is glowing more? If you check the inside of the circuit, what is happening inside the circuit? Measure the current. See, the current in the circuit, first circuit is 0.9 ampere. And if you measure the current in the second circuit, 1.80 ampere. So in the second circuit, we have two types of electric currents. And if you measure the potential difference for the first circuit, we have 9-volt. And if you measure the potential difference using the meter in the second circuit, it is 18-volt. So what we can conclude from these two circuits? We can conclude that if we increase the potential difference, current will increase in this circuit. How can visualize the current in the circuit? We can visualize the increase of current from this. We can visualize increase of current by see the glow of the bulb. More electric current, bulb will glow more. So for the second case, there is more potential and more current, so bulb is glowing more. Okay, fine. So now you can replace the bulb by a resistance, 10 of resistance. So this circuit is equivalent because we are adding same resistance. The bulb gives the 10 of resistance to the circuit, and we are adding the same resistance here. So again, we will get the same electric current, 0.9 ampere for 0.9 volt. Now, let's check the electric current for different potential difference. You can sense the potential difference using this tool. You can sense the potential difference. So at first take 1 volt, then measure current, electric current, then it is to get 0.1 ampere. After that, increase electric potential, make it 2 volt, and measure again electric current 0.2 ampere. Now it make it 3 and measure electric current, it is 0.3 ampere, and note down the all values. Do it up to 10 volt. Now collect all the data. We're interested to know the relation between voltage and current. We want to plot a graph, voltage versus current. So we need to collect all the data. Now we'll open another tool. It is plotly.com, and add your values here. These are voltage, potential difference, 1, 2, 3. These are potential difference, and these are electric current. These are electric current. I. These are potential. So if you plot a graph using this data, you'll get a straight line. So we can say, since we're getting a straight line, so we can say that P current voltage proportional to current. Since we're getting a straight line, from the straight line, we can say the relation between these two parameters is voltage proportional to current. Now, this was discovered by Ohm, a German physicist. A German physicist discovered that his name is Simon Ohm. He discovered that the potential difference across a resistor is proportional to the current going through the resistor. And this law is called Ohm's law. First time this is discovered by Simon Ohm, so it is called Ohm's law. And the outcome of Ohm's law is this one, voltage proportional to current. And if you add a constant, and if you want to equalize this proportional equation, then you can add a constant. So we're adding another constant. You can say P equal to constant into I. Now, let's take the name of the constant is R, then you will get the final equation. So our final equation is P equal to Ri. And the R is the called resistance of the circuit. R is the constant of the circuit, and it is the resistance of the circuit, and it is the outcome of Ohm's law. Ohm's law and Ohm's law is definition of Ohm's law is the voltage in a circuit proportional to current in the circuit. It is called Ohm's law. And final mathematical outcome of the circuit Ohm's law is V equals to IR. Okay, fine. Now, this is some basic question. See the circuit. Here, a resistor 24 ohm and for 12-volt battery. Here it is 12-volt battery, and it is resistor. If you add potential difference to a resistor, then what will happen to the circuit? There will flow a electric current. There will flow electric current. Now we need to determine electric current. Uh, Please determine electric current from the circuit, and I'm giving 5 minutes for doing calculation and submit your answer in Socratic. I will wait for your answer. Submit your answer here. I'll wait. Okay. Okay. Uh, one of you giving correct answer. I'm explaining again. Our formula is P equal to IR. Here, P equal to 12 volt. We need to determine current, and R is 24. So I will be 0.5 ampere. So we are getting 0.5 ampere electric current. Okay. Let's say another question. Here, a 12 ohm resistor connected by a battery, and we're getting 5 ampere electric current. Determine the potential difference. Type your answer in SAT. I'll wait. Okay. See you at the next class. Thank you.